Have you ever hosted a party or reached for ice on a hot afternoon only to discover your freezer has completely run out? It's a surprisingly common problem, especially during summer, family gatherings, or weekend barbecues. Instead of making emergency trips to buy bags of ice, a portable countertop ice maker promises to keep fresh ice ready whenever you need it. But does it actually make life easier? Today, we're taking a closer look at the Totnz Ice Maker countertop, a compact portable ice machine designed for homeowners, RV travelers, campers, office kitchens, and anyone who wants a steady supply of fresh ice without waiting for freezer trays. It promises quick ice production, simple controls, and an easy-to-carry design that fits almost anywhere. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. One of the first things you'll notice is its compact footprint. Measuring just under a foot wide, the Totnz Ice Maker doesn't demand much counter space, making it easy to place in apartments, kitchens, dorm rooms, offices, or even an RV. The black finish gives it a clean, modern appearance that blends well with most kitchen appliances, while the built-in carry handle makes it feel more portable than many countertop ice makers in the same category. The build quality feels solid for an appliance designed to move around frequently. The handle is sturdy enough to carry the machine comfortably, and the transparent lid allows you to watch the ice-making process without opening the unit. It also includes an ice basket and scoop with thoughtful storage that helps keep everything organized when the machine isn't in use. Overall, it feels designed with convenience rather than unnecessary complexity in mind. Getting started couldn't be much easier. Simply fill the water reservoir, power the machine on, choose between small or large bullet-shaped ice cubes, and let the machine do the work. The control panel is straightforward enough that even first-time users shouldn't have any trouble operating it. Helpful indicator lights let you know when the water level is low or when the ice basket is full, removing most of the guesswork from everyday use. Performance is where this machine makes its strongest impression. The first batch of bullet ice is ready in about 6 minutes, making it ideal when you suddenly realize guests are arriving or you've run out of ice before dinner. Throughout the day, it can produce up to 26 pounds of ice, which is more than enough for most households, small gatherings, office break rooms, or camping trips. Instead of waiting hours for freezer trays to refill, you'll have fresh ice available throughout the day. The two ice size options also add a nice level of flexibility. Smaller cubes work well for quickly chilling drinks, while the larger option is better suited for iced coffee, soft drinks, cocktails, or reusable coolers. The bullet-shaped ice is smooth, making it comfortable to chew if you enjoy snacking on ice, and it works well in most everyday beverages. Noise levels are fairly typical for a countertop ice maker. You'll hear the compressor running and occasional sounds as fresh ice drops into the basket, but it's generally quiet enough for normal conversations, working from home, or watching television nearby. It certainly isn't silent, but it's far from disruptive. Cleaning is another area where the Totnz keeps things simple. The built-in self-cleaning cycle eliminates much of the routine maintenance required by older ice makers. After adding clean water and activating the cleaning mode, the machine handles most of the work for you. That means less scrubbing and more confidence that every batch of ice stays fresh and clean over time. Overall, the Totnz Countertop Ice Maker is an excellent choice for anyone who wants fresh ice without relying on traditional freezer trays. It's compact, portable, easy to operate, and produces ice quickly enough for most daily situations. If you'd like to check today's latest price or availability, you'll find the direct link in the description below. And if this review helped you make a smarter buying decision, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next review.